Saturday, the 5th, 6th, I don't know. Days are starting to run together. I'm here in my basement because it's kind of hot out, humid, not really hot, it's raining. Just farting around with the Kent, and I was out on the trail a couple days ago, and I noticed that the bike is overall pretty darn quiet now. Since I installed the Advent X, so I don't have a lot of chain slap. The new fork, well, the new old fork, nice and quiet, versus like the clunkiness of the Sun Tour fork. Brakes working good, but the one thing that I noticed is the bike was a little noisy in the frame, and I chalked it up to the cables rattling inside since it's got internal cable routing. I'm out, had this issue with my Trek road bike, and I used this stuff called split sleeving, and I got it from Amazon. I'll show you what it is. So split sleeving, I'll leave a link down in the description. This worked really well on my Trek. It really silenced all that rattling from inside the tubes. Currently doing it to the Kent. I'm probably about, I don't know, to right here. And I'm just kind of feeding it through. I've kind of pulled the cables out and wrapped it, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches at a time, and then I'm just kind of slowly pushing it through. Once I get this all done and I feel like I'm all the way in, I'll cut it, and then I'll push these through, and then once I have that, the bike should be pretty much silent. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so I've reached a point to where I feel like I've got as much down the tube as I can. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it about like right here. So there's like 1 inch to 1.5 inches or 1/2 inch, I don't know yet, sticking out the bottom. I'm not gonna cut it super flush with this. So that way, just in case, if I need to, I can pull it out easy. Actually, I'm still getting some down in there. That way I can just pull it out. It's fine that it hangs out just a little bit, because if it gets stuck in there, it'll be in there forever, more than likely. So I need to leave a little bit of a pull tab so that way I can get it out. But now you can still hear, but it's not like this. This is what I was hearing before, like this, rattling through the trail. But now it's pretty quiet, and that'll be real nice when I'm riding on the rougher stuff. All right, so I've just cut it, and I've just got a little bit hanging out there, and it's not gonna cause any issues. Got the cables kind of pushed back into where they should be, and I should be able to ride with minimal noise now. One thing that's kind of annoying to me is that this cable, the brake line's coming this way, and then it's crossing. Here's the derailleur cable going this way, so kind of dumb. That's just how they ended up. So, guess it's okay.